Very good evening, everyone. Welcome to Aman Engineering Limited. My name is Imrana Qureshi. Today we are going to discuss about business development. This is our pre-assessment. This is our agenda: targeting, identifying, positioning, presenting, closing. Okay, what is business development? Business activity of pursuing strategy opportunities for a particular business or organization. For example, by cultivating partnership or other commercial relationships, or identifying new market for its product or service. Targeting: take inventory of what you have and what you know. What type of law do you practice? What constitute an ideal client? What are their needs? Are there industries where you have had previous success? Do you have specialized skills? Knowing the answer of these questions enable you to develop a list of the best place to find clients. Identifying: once you have identified the best place to find potential clients, the next step is to identifying the person most likely to engage you. It is important to determine who buys your service. Reaching the wrong person will never yield the result you are looking for. And who are the ultimate decision maker? In some form, it may be the journal counsel, but in other it could be the CFO, president, or perhaps and the business owner. Positioning: you have experience, a good track record, and a great reputation. How do these help the ultimate decision maker solve a problem or build their business? Think about the challenges or issues affecting your targeted client and their business impact. Once you grasp this, work to develop ways to communicate how your experience and your firm can help with these challenges and solve these issues. Next is presenting. Often attorneys spend too much time selling a prospect on their firm, their facilities, credentials, and success story. Many attorneys run out of time or neglect to ask questions and miss valuable opportunity to engage in meaningful conversation with prospects to learn about way to provide help. Closing: for many attorneys, closing is often one of the most difficult part of the business development process. However, it needs not to not be not to since you have the established good report and a working relationship with the decision maker, you have earned the right to ask for their business. Being by recapping the key point of your decisions, then review the prospect, desired outcome, and the importance of moving quickly ahead on the matter. Next, clearly restated the benefits of working with you and why it is their best option. Finally, present the engagement letter and ask for a signature and commitment to proceed. follow up. Follow up is one of the most important but often neglected skill. Once a matter resolved, regardless of the outcome, stay with the client unless you have been summarily dismissed. There is no such thing as a former client. While you may not be active with current file, a client is still a client. Leverage the relationship you have painstakingly built for additional business. Remember the 80 to 20 rule. 80% of business comes from 20% of your clients, but only if you continue the relationship. Recap: targeting, identifying, positioning, presenting, closing, follow up. This is our questionnaire link. Thank you.